So I'm going to inflate air into the bed. So here's the valve. This particular bed has two options to add air. It actually has a built-in electric pump, and you can also do it manually, which I'm going to be doing with the hand pump. This is the fill valve, and you can also deflate the bed as well. So you can open this up like that, and then this comes out. I'm going to connect the hose. Okay, now I'm going to start pumping. Now you can see ever slightly that the bed is starting to inflate. Okay, so I'm going to continue to inflate. Okay, so feel the mattress and make sure it's firm to know if you have enough air, and if it's sufficient then you can stop pumping. So now you could just pull this out. See, this is the fill area right here. So you leave this in this area. When you pull this out, that deflates the bed. That's the way this is done. That's the way you fill it up. It could take a few minutes, and it does pump it to capacity. It's nice and firm now, so I'm going to close the fill valve.